Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kitab Shala, a series crafted for talented and ambitious individuals keen on boosting their wisdom and knowledge portfolio. If diving into books feels like a challenge, you are at the right place. Today, I will break down the 7 key lessons from the book The 5am Club in under 7 minutes. The 5am Club by Robin Sharma is a beacon of motivation for those seeking a path to personal transformation. In a world where the time often slips away, this book introduces a game-changing concept, the magic of rising at 5 am. The author presents it as a golden hour, a tranquil and productive time that allows individuals to reclaim control of their lives. The book is more than just a manual, it's a roadmap to unlocking untapped potential. Through engaging storytelling and relatable examples, it illustrates how waking up early can set the tone for a successful day. The practicality of the advice is a major strength. It provides actionable steps that anyone can implement to enhance their productivity, focus, and overall well-being. Moreover, the book isn't merely about time management. It delves into the realms of personal development and self-discovery. It encourages readers to explore their purpose, cultivate a growth mindset, and creating a morning routine that aligns with their goals. In essence, the 5am Club is an invitation to embark on a life-altering journey. It's a reminder that every sunrise brings a fresh opportunity for growth and success. If you're seeking a way to supercharge your life and unlock your full potential, this book offers the guidance and inspiration you need to make the most of your mornings and consequently transform your entire life. Here are 7 life-changing lessons from the 5am Club book. Number 1. The power of early rising. The power of early rising is a cornerstone lesson from the 5am Club that underscores the immense advantages of beginning your day at 5 am. At this early hour, the world is still in slumber and distractions are minimal. It's a sacred time when you can claim a peaceful and uninterrupted space for self-improvement and goal pursuit. Waking up at 5 am allows you to set a proactive tone for the day ahead. You are not merely reacting to external stimuli, instead you are in control of your schedule and priorities. This solitude fosters clarity of thought, enabling you to strategize, plan and execute your goals with undivided focus. In essence, the power of early rising is about seizing the opportunity to design your day according to your aspirations rather than being swept away by the demands of the world. Number 2. The 20/20/20 formula. The 20/20/20 formula is a potent prescription for holistic self-improvement. This morning routine allocates 20 minutes to 3 critical areas: exercise, reflection, and learning. Firstly, dedicating 20 minutes to exercise jumpstarts your physical vitality, pumping energy and oxygen into your body, setting a healthy tone for the day. Next, 20 minutes of reflection encourages mindfulness and self-awareness. It's an opportunity to contemplate your goals, express gratitude, and visualize success. In turn, cultivating a positive mindset. Finally, 20 minutes of learning fosters personal growth. Whether it's reading, skill building, or gaining knowledge, this segment ensures you continually expand your horizons. Number 3. Mindset mastery. It emphasizes that your beliefs and attitudes significantly impact your ability to overcome challenges and attain success. By embracing a growth mindset, you shift from a fixed perspective to a one that sees setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. This outlook empowers you to approach obstacles with resilience and determination. The book illustrates how fostering a positive attitude can be a game changer in your pursuit of success. It encourages you to replace self-doubt with self-belief, enabling you to chase your goals with unwavering confidence. Ultimately, this book teaches that your mindset shapes your reality. By choosing optimism and embracing challenges as stepping stones, you can not only overcome adversity but also pave your way to remarkable achievements. Number 4. The twin cycle of elite performance. It highlights the significance of a balanced approach to personal development and elite performance. This twin cycle emphasizes that just as intense learning and productivity are essential, so is adequate recovery and rest. It's akin to a rhythmic dance between effort and rejuvenation. By understanding and implementing these twin cycles, you optimize your performance. Intense learning and focused work periods are followed by periods of rest and recovery, allowing your mind and body to recharge. It underscores the idea that peak productivity is not about constant grinding, but rather a harmonious interplay between hard work and self-care. Number 5. The Habit Installation Protocol. This book introduces an invaluable tool for personal development, the Habit Installation Protocol. This protocol offers a systematic approach to creating new habits and shedding the old ones. The protocol revolves around the concept of consistent daily actions, which over time lead to significant transformations. It breaks down the process into manageable steps, making it easier to adopt and maintain new habits. By following this protocol, readers learn the art of habit formation, which is a cornerstone of personal growth. It's a roadmap for turning those positive behaviors into second nature, ensuring lasting change and progress in various aspects of life. In essence, this protocol empowers individuals to take control of their habits, steering them towards the path of self-improvement and success. Number 6. The 4-Focus Vortex. This concept helps individuals harness their energy and attention for maximum productivity and effectiveness. In a world filled with distractions, mastering the art of focus is a game changer. The 4-Focus Vortex provides a structured approach to prioritize goals, allocate time and resources wisely, and ultimately achieve more with less effort. This concept empowers readers to identify their most critical objectives, eliminating unnecessary noise from their lives. It's a blueprint for accomplishing tasks efficiently and effectively, ensuring that every moment counts. By implementing the 4-Focus Vortex, individuals can optimize their daily routines, increasing their chances of success and fulfillment in both personal and professional spheres. Number 7. The importance of service. This book underscores the profound importance of service and its role in personal fulfillment. Beyond individual growth and achievement, the book reminds us that our true happiness often springs from helping others. Service is like a two-way street. As you positively impact the life of others, you also enrich your own life. When you wake up early, harness your energy and focus on self-improvement. You are better equipped to serve your community effectively. This lesson encourages readers to recognize that this success is not isolated. It's deeply intertwined with the well-being of others. By extending a helping hand, sharing knowledge, or contributing to a cause greater than themselves, individuals can find a profound sense of purpose and satisfaction that transcends personal achievements. In essence, the 5am Club teaches us that service is a path to both personal growth and a more meaningful life. It's not just a book, it's a blueprint for creating a life of purpose, productivity, and happiness. So, set your alarm for 5am and embark on a journey of self-improvement with this. Books are not just givers, they are transformers. It's not what you take from a book, but what magic books draw out from you. It's time to turn those insights into action. Thank you and see you in the next video.